Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you step by step how to make an outdoor hot tub for off-the-grid situations. This can be for camp or just about anywhere as long as you have a way to fill the tub with water. Before I get started, please subscribe, like and comment, and share if you want someone else to see it. Step 1 is to get an iron enamel tub. This doesn't have to be a clawfoot tub, but these old metal tubs have gone out of style and they happen to be the perfect thing for this. Step 2 is to prepare the location. Dig a hole under the tub for the fire pit, otherwise there is no place underneath the tub to make the fire. Make sure the fire pit is not too close to the drain or too close to the back of the tub. Make the pit in the middle between the legs. Step 3 is to level the tub on rocks. Use a level on a long piece of straight wood. If the tub is not level, the water will overflow the edges. It may anyway, and if it does, it may put the fire out. Step 4 is to extend the drain off into the yard by adding a pipe. I added a rubber pipe transition piece that went from the old metal drain attached with pipe clamps to a new PVC pipe. Use the experts in the plumbing department of the hardware stores if you need help. Step 5 is to remove the old faucet and overflow drain and put a metal plate or just a piece of plywood. I had that for the longest time, but it falls apart. Something flat that will cover the old faucet and overflow drain. Use a sealant around the edges of the plate, or even weatherproof strips work fine. If you use weather stripping, make sure that the ends are at the top of the opening. On the outside of the tub, have a piece of wood and sandwich the two pieces together with a bolt through them all. Use a stainless steel bolt. Step 6 is to make a protective bottom for the tub out of wood. This is important or else you will get burnt by the fire under the tub by touching the bottom. I've made mine with slats of 1/4 inch tongue and groove pine and wove them together with thick string. I used paracord in 3 places along the boards. Cut them to length to fit the tub. This is better than a flat piece of wood and it molds to the bottom better for a deeper bath. Step 7 is to plug up the drain and fill the tub with water. I use a hose from my gravity feed water source. Note that it is really important to fill the tub with water before you light the fire, or it will crack the tub. There must always be water in the tub if there is a fire underneath. Step 8 is to make a good hot fire underneath. As with any fire, make sure you follow safety precautions and clear away all debris around the tub so as to not catch any surrounding thing on fire, trees, bushes, etc. As the tub heats up, don't touch the edge of the tub near the fire. It could be very hot. The fire shouldn't be licking up very much on the sides of the tub. It will take about 2 hours for the tub to reach temperature. A good hot tub temperature is between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. This day it was about 34 degrees Fahrenheit outside. I love to do this in the winter, but the summer is also nice except for the mosquitoes. When the temperature gets right, reduce the fire to a slow burn and actually take off some logs. If you can't stand the smoke wafting up and smoking you out of the tub, take them all off. This is a tricky part, but managing the fire will keep it right for you to have a long hot soak. It really helps to have someone tending the fire on the outside of the tub for you. Step 9 is to put the wood mat in the tub and push it down to the bottom with your weight. Don't use soap or bath salts in the water, or it will harm the ground when you drain the tub. Step 10 is to enjoy. You've worked really hard for your little slice of heaven today. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of new videos. I plan on doing more how-to videos of my off-the-grid life. If you want to learn other things, please let me know in the comments.